Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to watch live streams on X. So to watch live streams on X, you can check Explore tab at the bottom side of the screen. This is this magnifying glass icon. So you can here find trending topics and live broadcasts that are popular or relevant specifically to you. Also, if you go back to your home page, so to your timeline, also live videos will appear directly here. But one thing that only you will see here, live videos only from people that you follow on X. They will appear here in your home timeline. Additionally, if you want to search for something specific, you should go to Explore tab once again and use searching bar at the top of your screen to search for specific person's account. And for example, you can use this method if you know that this specific person has now live stream on X. You can go to their account and watch live stream video directly from their account. So basically, when a live video appears on your screen, you just have to tap it to start watching. That were the three main ways how you can watch live streams on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.